Hello, my friend. This is an update. This is an update to the seminar taking place on 6th of March, 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. I've said this to you before. Make sure you write that down somewhere, put it in your calendar, uh, put the note on your system, on your monitor, put a sticky note on your monitor to remind you because this is gonna be an awesome day and you're gonna go away with the confidence that you'll be able to achieve your dreams for this year and beyond. Okay, the update is I just finished a course. Where I'm teaching. Leads generation for consultants, lead generations for consultants, coaches, and accountants. Um, in that, there is a module in that course, how to generate a lead, quality lead, for less than $2 per lead. How to generate a lead for less than $2 per lead. Okay, what I would do for you, why am I sharing that is, before we even learn this insight, we were spending $10 to $20 to generate a lead, and we were making money. We were making good money from that. It's still good value for money, but the moment we discovered how to reduce our cost to less than $2 per lead, everything changes. Why? Because let me give you an example of, if you want to generate 1,000 leads, for instance. So it is the difference between spending $20,000, yeah, to generate 1,000 leads, and then with this system you'll be spending $2,000 or less. We're spending less than $2 at the moment. Okay, so that's like $18,000 in your pocket for just one insight. And if you ramp that up and you even want, bigger number of leads, you just increase your advert money and then you generate more. I've decided to add this insight to the webinar. I'm gonna show you our page. I'm gonna show you our Facebook page. You're gonna see how we do this very, very easily. Anyone can implement this. So I look forward to seeing you at the seminar. I just thought it's a good idea to share this with you so that you know not to miss this seminar. And by the way, if you're one of those people that registered early birds, you actually come into this seminar free of charge. That will never happen again. After this one, the minimum I'm going to be charging for this seminar is £300. Take that. So if you miss this one, the next one, you're going to be paying £300. So don't miss it for any reason. So I look forward to seeing you there. I'll be sending you even more resources before that seminar. So be on the lookout for them. Thank you very much.